Welcome to CAWST's Technology Talk. Today, we're going to learn about the Biosand filter. Here it is. Okay, let's check it out, shall we? As you can see, it's pretty big. It comes up pretty high, almost up to my waist. The size is one of the reasons that it can filter 400 milliliters per minute, which is a real advantage if you have a big family. Now, not all Biosand filters look like this one. Some of them have a concrete body, while others are made of stainless steel. The bodies can either be square or round. Let's take a look at this, shall we? The lid protects the Biosand filter from insects and other things. When you're ready to filter the water, just open up the lid, put it down, and pour in the water like this. Pretty easy, right? One thing you'll need to remember is just to pour in the water once a day. We can't let it dry out. That's why we pour water in the filter every day. And this right here, this is called a diffuser. It's basically a box with holes in it, but it can come in the form of a plate. The diffuser basin reduces the force of the water so it doesn't create a big hole in the middle of the sand so as to not to disturb the biolayer. Now you're probably wondering what these two layers are at the bottom of the filter. They are small and large gravel. The gravel stops the sand from coming out of the filter and clogging this plastic tube. The tube carries the filtered water to the outside of the filter where you're going to need to collect it with a container like this one. And of course the water, except perhaps the safe storage container. Well, that's it for today. There's way more to learn about the Biosand filter. If you're curious, check out the videos at the link on your screen. Have a great day, everybody.